Hello everybody, how are you? And welcome back to Crochet Smart, very smart and unique ideas. Today in this video we are going to discuss about crochet rompers for your beloved babies. Crocheting a baby romper is a fun project. Here are basic guide to get you started. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe now so that you can find each and every new video for your knowledge, and also don't forget to press bell icon. The materials: yarn. Use soft baby friendly yarn, cotton, blends or grate. Hook. Match the hook size to your yarn, generally 3.5 mm to 5 mm hook works well. Buttons or snaps for fastening. Scissors and yarn needles for weaving in ends and assembly. Basic pattern. Start with the bottom. Chain. Make a foundation chain that fits around the baby's waist. For a newborn, around 40 to 50 chains is good start. Rows. Work in rows to create the base of the romper. Use single crochet or half double crochet for a simple texture. Continue until the piece measures from the waist to the desired length of a romper's legs. Shape the legs. Fold the piece of half and join the sides, leaving opening for the legs. You can use slip stitches or single crochet to join. Work in rounds. Work in the rounds to create the leg openings. You might want to increase slightly if you want to more roomy fit. Create the body. Connect the legs at the crotch and continue crocheting up to the create the body. You can use a combination of SC and DC for the body section. Shape. Increase or decrease as needed to shape the romper for the baby's torso. You might want to add some shaping around the waist or add a sunlight flare for the legs. Add the straps. Crochet 2 strips or however many straps you want and attach them to the top of the romper. You can make these as wide or narrow as you like. If you are using buttons, make buttonholes in the straps or the top of the romper. Tips. Check your gauge to ensure the romper will fit properly. Ensure all fastenings are securely attached to avoid choking hazard. Dear viewers, with the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. Thank you very much for watching our video.